Here I have Nokia 110 4G, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly, you have to remove back cover from your device, like this. Then you have to remove battery. So here you can put your SIM card, and here you can put your here you can put your SD card, and here you can put your SIM card. You have two slots. So what you have to do is to just this metal thing, you have to push it like this for a bit for it to open. And then just put your SIM card here like this, and then close it with this metal part. Then you have to put back battery and back cover too, and hold down this decline call button to turn your device back on. And as you can see, it requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is to prove that SIM card is read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.